Abel, a 12-year-old boy from Ethiopia, Africa. He's curious, bright, and full of questions about the world. Today, he's about to face something completely new, his very first computer. For Abel, this strange-looking machine is both exciting and intimidating. The glowing screen seems like a portal to another universe, but the buttons, the mouse, and the keyboard feel like puzzles waiting to be solved. At first, nothing comes easy. The mouse doesn't do what Abel expects. It slides across the screen like it has a mind of its own. Typing feels slow and clumsy, one finger at a time, and each small mistake feels bigger than it really is. He wonders, maybe computers are just too difficult for him.
Yes.
But then something changes. With patience, Abel experiences his first small victory. He clicks, experiments, and suddenly the screen responds. A program opens! His eyes light up. It feels like he's just unlocked a hidden treasure. Encouraged, he tries something new. Slowly, carefully, Abel types his name letter by letter. When his name appears on the screen, a big smile spreads across his face. In that moment, the computer doesn't seem scary anymore. It feels like a friend. Day by day, Abel keeps learning. He discovers how to save a file. He learns simple shortcuts that make tasks faster. He organizes his folders, finding a sense of order in the digital world. Each small step builds his confidence. The frustration he once felt starts to fade, replaced by curiosity, joy, and pride. Abel's journey is more than just learning how to use a machine. It's a powerful reminder. Every expert was once a beginner. The greatest skills in life always start with small, sometimes messy first steps. And then here's the truth. Technology is not a monster. It is a tool that can open doors to education, opportunity, and even a better future. Abel's story proves that with patience and practice, anyone, no matter where they come from, can master digital skills. From confusion to confidence, from fear to empowerment. This is the journey of growth. So remember, start small, grow big, and never be afraid to take that first step. Follow Get.TechAcad for more inspiring tech journeys.